Ebusia for application a Vincent Eko Asifua MP of Otafo Etroye at the Command Supreme Court in order to prevent the president to consult Council of States on the determination of a prima facie against the removal of the Chief Justice Nebusia and Ndra and Supreme Court Eko Senka Omoka Kutieno. Now the funny thing about that is say Attorney General and a deputy NTME appear before Supreme Court and I'm so Emma Court adjourn case to 14th of April 2025. Yeah, the more details, bro. High Climax News. And then your first time I want coming across our videos, sir. You best subscribe your channel, ya my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Climax News GH. Na also so no wa follow yen. Sinebeya always be ano ye the news bar ubetimi I get access to it first. Ebusia enkonform yensa etro petition at the command His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say almost no onjina ni tumi so na on remove the Chief Justice to kunu in free office all because of say Chief Justice ne juma SSA or ye say all standing as a year independent ebusia efa issues ne ensema yedi bebe pm e wo law court no ebusia che say emfa kwan mu binu me nyina e accounting a year anti-gay bill ya che say Parliament of Ghana e pass year in 2024 e de koma Ekufado say on sign Ekufado an sign che say omo de asem ne ye say nka omo de court ebusia asem na kwankwasi bia na Speaker of Parliament suspending conformance e Parliament ni de je say omu dimnika e de asem no ekopie mu e Supreme Court Emma je say within 24 hours Supreme Court etimi attendee to a year then majority that was MPP in government. It was an say asem no odwin ho awon tia say ntine nkofotna se din no say no the neutrality of a year judges and I say yen law courts na ebusian o hwe ewo justice tokunu insema enya dia eboa entino the president should stand upon the constitution na on removing na ebusia say na yesi be ka kire mo no a process ebusia the president cannot just stand up and say or remove the Chief Justice firstly no as I say or the application for a day a year or more the application eba say application or more throw their blend say on yin free honum now ebusia the second of it no as I say application now obe I receive obe receiving no as I say or the Comma Council of States ebusia that's the petition I say or the Comma Council of States after the Council of States no now omo determine a prima facie against a year in sema a year petitioners nature no this is the process no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ehyasie na ohyasie no na yehu say a year Vincent Eko Asifua ono na oye MP of Otafo of file law law case at the Command Supreme Court, Senka Supreme Court, and prevented the president to do all this process in order to prevent the removal of the Chief Justice by Ebusia. Ndra ena courts etina senka omobetie no ebusia but unfortunately Attorney General and the deputy NTME appear before the Supreme Court and I'm so Emma Court no etu asem no asheda on the 14th of April 2025 ebusia so entino Vincent and then the lawyers ekopie mu Vincent na the lawyer na Attorney General former Attorney General that's Godfrey Dame yes in Ekufado's administration ebusia omukopie mu ewo court ne Emma che say ensema ye Godfrey Dame edi tudwa ye ba kutie ensema odi tudwa na ya dwene ho ehun say eye buapayo anase enye buapayo but however in some Attorney General and the deputy at the beto court name said the entire omentimi appear before the Supreme Court no say or my say training biase Attorney General's department on the almost on the 7th ebusia omobe ende on the 10th ebusia that is today and you know the enuntina omentimi appear before the law courts but anyway we don't know say a truth and I say any truth anyway yenkuni nkotie ensema Godfrey Dame ono na oye the lawyer of Vincent Eko Asifua MP of Otafo there or they asem no Ekdoko to Supreme Court. Yenkoni kuti ensema papei edituja.
I mean that of course quite odd for him to say that sit attorneys conference and all the cases that come to that. He is not a state attorney. He cannot come to court. The matter is important that the removal of the Chief Justice. He couldn't come or send the case to a court by attorney. The deputy attorney also not a state attorney. He couldn't come. What makes it more odd is the fact that they sent state attorneys, not even one but two senior state attorneys, to come inform the court that they are at a conference, and so the matter should be there. That is all.
I mean, we know the consultation process are ongoing, and that is the process that you wanted to hold. I mean, that will have some repercussions in that they could come to the prima facie determination while you wait for the hearing to take place.
I don't answer the question. What are you saying?
The question is that you are trying to halt the consultation process that are ongoing. While the case has not been fixed for hearing yet, there is a possibility that that consultation process could come to a conclusion. Is that not what you are trying to halt?
Well, there's an application for a court injunction pending. So why would anybody proceed? I'll find it quite interesting and quite odd. It would be the height of a disregard for the rule of law if they proceed in that manner.
So as far as you are concerned, you expect the president to halt the constitution of the council of state while this is pending?
It is not my expectation. It is the expectation of the law. The law expects that such regard for due process be observed. And so it will be actually a confirmation of their disregard for the rule of law. And I think that if you see the affidavit filed by the Attorney General.
I mean, there are those who have made reference to the fact that in that affidavit, he makes the point that there is no law that requires a fair hearing to be given to the Chief Justice. And there are some who are also saying that even under the previous government, the president gave a hearing after he had referred the matter to the Council of State already.
I would say that the Lord has a fine way of exposing the hearts and desires of men. The Lord has an interesting way of exposing the hearts, the true desires of men. And indeed, it's been evidence in the affidavit filed by the Attorney General. They did not intend to accord any right of hearing to the Chief Justice. Until